Now, any first-time mother will tell you pregnancy is full of ups and downs, fears and hopes, but for one North Texas woman, expecting a baby has been a roller coaster of life and death dilemmas. Our medical reporter Janet St. James reports.
So this is the baby's room. Got it all set up and ready for her.
Roxanne Martinez lovingly set up this nursery.
This is all from our baby shower.
Determined she and her unborn baby would live to share time together in it.
She's got more shoes than I do at this point.
Finding out she was pregnant last October was just the first shock for this 30-year-old.
Finding out I'm pregnant, finding out I have breast cancer, all in the same week.
Not long ago, pregnant women with cancer faced a terrible life and death decision. Save themselves and sacrifice the baby, or save the baby and sacrifice the treatment. Roxanne was diagnosed with an aggressive triple-negative breast cancer.
Probably would have made it to the end of her pregnancy to survive that long, but at the price of having that cancer having spread through the rest of her body and then dying in the next year or two.
But Dr. Robyn Young says new research shows certain chemotherapy medicines don't cross the placenta well, enabling expectant mothers to get life-saving therapy.
But the time when it causes real damage, where we see heart damage and organs that don't form and limb malformations, is that first trimester. And that's the time when we have to say we cannot do this at this point.
Because Roxanne was diagnosed early in pregnancy, she had a mastectomy first, then waited until the second trimester when her baby's organs were fully developed to begin what some consider the toxic onslaught of chemotherapy.
You can't even take most over-the-counter drugs.
But here you are taking chemotherapy.
Yeah.
As more women delay having a baby, the incidence of cancer during pregnancy is rising. By some estimates, 1 in 1,000 women will deal with both.
She wasn't tolerating the contractions very well at all, and then my blood pressure was skyrocketing.
Roxanne went into labor 6 weeks early. What was to be the day of her last chemo treatment became the birthday of Serenity Milagros.
Milagros means miracle in Spanish.
Unlike Mom, Serenity was born with a full head of hair.
Our little miracle. It's been the biggest blessing.
And while she still has a long battle ahead, for now, this new mother has hope for two. Janet St. James, Channel 8 News.